Namaste. How are you, Menu?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Hey, yeah, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
How are you, man?
I'm fine, thank you. Hey, Binoy, how are you?
Hey, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And again, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Too fed up with this, right? Whenever we need to ask about the well-being of a person, we are more likely to ask, how are you? And when we ask this question, we always reply, I'm fine, thank you. If you want to make a difference, you're at the right place because I'm here with a brand new How Are You series from English Partner. Let's make a difference together. Welcome to another episode of How Are You series from English Partner. This is Tressa, your English partner. In the previous video, we were discussing about various positive ways to answer when someone asks you, how are you? But it's always not necessary to answer on a positive note. You can be neutral, you can be negative. Because they're asking about your well-being and you don't have to fake how you feel about yourself. So today, we'll be discussing about a few neutral ways of answering to this question. Let's start. What is this being neutral all about? It's just that you're not too positive, you're not too negative, you are somewhere in between and you feel okay-ish. And at times, it's very much okay to tell other people that you feel okay. So you can just say, I'm okay. And I have a replacement for this, that is, I'm alright. So if you want to improve the pronunciation, I have a tip for you. When you're pronouncing, instead of L, pronounce it with W. So which is like, I am alright. Alright? Another way of answering this question is not bad. Because here you're directly stating that you're not feeling bad and you're not stating that you're good. So which means you're somewhere in between. So you can obviously say not bad or not too bad. Or maybe you can say no complaints. When you're going through a neutral phase and you're expecting things to get better, if at this point someone is asking you how are you, you can just say could be better. Another scenario is you're not too bad, you're not too happy, but you feel okay and little satisfied with what is happening. Then you can say I'm good enough or good enough. When you're having a neutral life and you have no idea what is happening around, and if someone asks you, how are you? You can just say nothing much. And this is often used in texting these days as NM, which means nothing much. So here are a few ways of replying to how are you if you want to answer in a very neutral way. And I'll be back with another episode of this How Are You series. Until then, bye-bye.